In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Weebly plan. Whether you're looking to upgrade for more features or simply adjust your current plan, we've got you covered with this straightforward walkthrough. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Weebly website. If you're not familiar, Weebly is a popular platform for building free websites and online stores, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned web creators. Once the page is loaded, you'll notice the option to log into your account. Click on Log In, which can usually be found at the top right corner of the homepage. For those of you who use Square for processing payments, there's a convenient option for you here. Instead of entering your credentials manually, you can simply click on Log In with Square. This streamlines the process, allowing for a quick and secure login. Once logged in, you'll land on your personal dashboard, which is packed with all the tools you need to manage your website. Next, from the dashboard, look for the Overview section. This area is a snapshot of your site's current status, providing you with metrics and performance insights. Clicking on Overview keeps you informed, but for our purpose today, it's just a stepping stone to where we need to go. Once you are in the Overview section, the next thing you'll want to do is access Account Settings. This is your hub for personalizing your Weebly experience. It hosts various options related to your account specifics. Click on it and it will take you to a new page filled with different settings you can tweak. Now look for My Services, which might also be labeled under Billing or similar sections depending on your interface. Click on it. This area is specifically designed for managing your current Weebly services, which includes changing your plan. It's essentially your backstage pass to all things billing related, letting you see and modify what types of services you're subscribed to based on your needs. At this point, you should be presented with a list of possible plans. Take your time here to review the options. Each plan has unique features and benefits, so selecting the right one for your needs is crucial. From enhanced e-commerce capabilities to additional storage, ensure you choose the plan that aligns best with what you're aiming to achieve with your website. Remember, updating your plan isn't just about adding new tools, it's a strategic step in scaling or adjusting your online presence. And there you have it, a simple guide to changing your Weebly plan. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below or reach out to Weebly support for more detailed guidance. Thank you for watching and have a great day exploring all the new features of your updated Weebly plan.